Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox voice chat without an ID. To begin, you need to understand that Roblox voice chat is restricted to users who are at least 13 years old. This age requirement is in place to ensure a safe environment for everyone. While you may not use your own government-issued ID, a parent or legal guardian can help confirm your age, making the process smoother and adhering to the platform's safety guidelines. Your parent or legal guardian plays a key role in enabling voice chat for you without needing your personal identification. They will navigate to the age verification section within the Roblox account settings. During this process, they will be prompted to provide their own government-issued photo ID. It is crucial that all information, such as their full name and birth date, matches their official documents exactly to successfully complete the verification. Once age verification is complete, whether through your parent or another approved method, you can proceed to activate voice chat. Log into your Roblox account and navigate to the Settings menu, which you can usually find by clicking the gear icon. From there, select the Privacy tab. Within the Privacy options, you will see a toggle labeled Enable Voice Chat. Simply click this switch to turn the feature on, allowing you to use voice communication in compatible experiences. With voice chat enabled, the next step is to ensure your microphone is ready. First, make certain your microphone is securely plugged into your computer or mobile device. Then, open your device's sound settings and confirm that your preferred microphone is chosen as the default input device. Before joining a public game, it is a great idea to test your microphone in a private Roblox experience with a friend or by yourself, ensuring your audio is clear and functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.